Inside Monaco Zeus's $240 million palace, a billionaire's life you weren't meant to see. What if I told you there's a place on Earth so stunning, so impossibly luxurious, that even billionaires whisper about it in disbelief? Today, we're stepping into Monaco Zeus's $240 million palace. A place built to defy gravity, rewrite luxury, and challenge what you think money can buy. And trust me, you were never meant to see what you're about to see. Welcome to a different universe. Monaco is not just a country, it's a playground for the ultra-rich, a high-security jewel on the French Riviera where millionaires are considered middle class. Zeus, a billionaire whose wealth comes from somewhere between myth and mystery. Some say he built the most powerful AI trading empire in Europe. Others claim he owns secret stakes in luxury brands and private aerospace projects. What we do know is this: his palace, perched high above the Monte Carlo skyline, is valued at over $240 million and is considered one of the most private residences in all of Monaco. Today, we're opening the doors. The exterior, where luxury meets legend. From the outside, Zeus's palace looks more like a modern fortress, sculpted from white marble and titanium. Perched on the cliffs of Larvado, it overlooks the sea, with a view so perfect it feels digitally generated. But the first thing that hits you is not the beauty, it's the silence. A silence that feels intentional, engineered, controlled. Here's what makes the exterior incredibly unique. 1. A private helipad on the roof. Not unusual for Monaco's elite, but Zeus's version is different. It retracts into the roof, folding into a flush titanium panel that becomes invisible when not in use. 2. Bullet-resistant glass walls. Not small windows, not panels. Entire walls of glass, reinforced to withstand high-impact force. 3. Self-healing exterior material. Yes, you heard that right. The palace uses a nano coating that repairs scratches automatically using heat and sunlight. 4. Gardens suspended in the air. Hanging botanical terraces with rare trees imported from Japan, Madagascar, and Chile. It literally feels like the palace is growing. This isn't architecture, it's a statement. The entrance, where the myth begins. The moment you step inside, the first thing you see is an enormous circular foyer with a handmade marble floor imported from Tuscany. But look closer. The marble is inlaid with real gold threads, forming a swirling pattern representing Zeus's family crest, a symbol very few people know even exists. The doors close behind you with a soft vacuum seal. And for the first time, you understand. This house isn't just expensive, it's designed to protect the man who lives in it. The doors themselves, 2.5 meters tall, reinforced with aerospace aluminum, controlled by biometric signature, open only with fingerprint plus iris plus voice pattern. You don't open this house, it opens you. The Grand Hall, the heart of the palace. The Grand Hall is where luxury reaches a different level. Imagine a room with a 38-foot ceiling, a chandelier made of 1,200 crystals, each cut from a single stone, a floor-to-ceiling waterfall wall that cools the entire room naturally, temperature that adjusts to the guest's body heat. But the detail that stands out most is the artwork. 1. A Leonardo da Vinci sketch, authenticated. Yes, a real one, protected behind climate-controlled glass. 2. A private sculpture from Jeff Koons, specially commissioned. No duplicates exist. 3. Interactive holographic art, art that moves, breathes, changes when you walk by. Zeus wants his guests to feel something when they enter. The dining hall, where power meets taste. This room feels like it belongs in a royal palace. A long, polished stone table stretches across the room like a runway, illuminated by hidden LED strips under the surface. The walls are lined with wine refrigerators, each storing bottles worth more than a small apartment. But here's what makes the dining hall special. 1. A chef on call 24/7. Zeus doesn't hire a chef. He hires a team of Michelin-level culinary experts. 2. Tables that heat or cool food. Automatically. Placed on the table, your dish stays at the exact temperature it was prepared. 3. An aroma diffusion system. Not perfume. An engineered scent system that recreates the smell of different atmospheres. Like an Italian vineyard, a rain-soaked forest, or the Monaco seaside. Food isn't just eaten here, it's experienced. The living space, elegance without ego. Despite the opulence, Zeus's living room isn't loud. It's incredibly minimal. Only 3 colors dominate: stone white, charcoal black. Soft gold, a custom-built curved sofa seats 20 people. The TV, hidden. It rises from the ground only when asked. The most fascinating part: the living room uses AI-controlled smart glass walls that switch between crystal clear, frosted, transparent screens displaying news, stock updates, or even satellite views of Earth. With a single voice command, the entire room transforms. This is not luxury. This is another dimension. The secret technology room. Most billionaires have tech. Zeus lives inside it. Behind a disguised wall is a room no photographer has ever captured. Inside sits 1. A quantum-level supercomputer, rumored to be connected to global financial networks. No confirmation, but insiders whisper it. 2. A personal data vault, built like a bank vault, stores hard drives, contracts, encrypted backups, family records, rare digital art. 3rd holographic meeting chamber. Imagine Zoom, but in real-time 3D. Zeus uses this to speak with CEOs, prime ministers, and associates from around the world, without leaving his palace. The Master Suite, a room you never forget. Now we enter the most private part of the house. The Master Suite isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary designed to protect Zeus's sleep, energy, and mental clarity. 1. A bed that tracks vital signs, heart rate, breathing rhythm, REM cycles. It adjusts softness and temperature throughout the night. 2. A ceiling that mimics the night sky, not with LEDs, with fiber optic clusters mapping real celestial data. 3. A $1.6 million walk-in closet made of rare African blackwood and gold-plated edges. Temperature-controlled dash, because even fabrics need preservation. 4. A bathroom with a view that should be illegal. A bathtub carved from a single block of Carrara marble, overlooking the entire Monaco coastline. You don't bathe in this room, you meditate. The wellness floor. Health is wealth. This is where Zeus's philosophy becomes clear. He doesn't treat wellness as luxury. He treats it as strategy. Here's what the private wellness floor includes. 1. Cryotherapy chamber, used by top athletes and billionaires. 2. Anti-gravity treadmill, helps with stress and recovery. 3rd meditation dome, a voice-activated dome with surround sound that guides breathing, posture, and mental relaxation. 4. A fully private spa with mineral pools, sauna room, custom aromatherapy, heated stone beds, Himalayan salt wall. This is where Zeus resets daily. The infinity pool, where the world disappears. The pool is arguably the most photographed, yet still mysterious part of the estate. It hangs over the cliff edge with glass flooring, allowing you to see the sea directly underneath. Features: heated to maintain 28 degrees Celsius. Underwater speakers that play ambient music, floating LED lights, a side waterfall that doubles as a privacy curtain. At night, the pool reflects the lights of Monte Carlo, making you feel like you're swimming in the sky. The private cinema, a millionaire's escape. The cinema has only 8 seats, because Zeus believes experiences should be intimate. Key features: laser 8K projection, walls lined with acoustic velvet, seats with built-in massage modules, a popcorn machine imported from Chicago. Yes, really. Movies aren't watched here, they're felt. Luxury isn't about diamonds. It's about designing a life so powerful that the world bends around you. If you want to keep exploring the hidden lives of the world's richest, then you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe.